This animation shows colored tiles moved by a global signal so they all move in the same direction unless blocked. This simple example is solved using the greatest distance heuristic, which finds the shortest path in 21 steps. Each tile has a glue on the 4 sides that only stick to compatible glues. Glue type is denoted by color. The objective is to manipulate the tiles to bond in the shape of the connected polyomino target outlined in red. This more complicated workspace was solved using the minimum move to polyomino or target heuristic. This approach is not optimal, but is a best first search that attempts to keep tiles not involved in the present construction step separated from each other. This is done by pruning configurations with undesired subassemblies from the search tree. The solution shown here requires 473 steps.